Essential items to pack in your baby bag. Must-haves for parents on the go. Hello parents, and welcome back to our channel, Daily Hurdles. Today's video is all about one of the most important accessories for parents on the go, the baby bag. Whether you're heading out for a short stroll or a day trip, having a well-packed baby bag can make your outing smoother and more enjoyable. So, let's dive into the essential items you should pack in your baby bag. Diapers and changing essentials. Diapers are an absolute must-have. Make sure to pack enough diapers for the duration of your outing, along with wipes, diaper cream, and disposable bags for easy and hygienic changes. Changing pad. A portable changing pad is a lifesaver when you need to change your baby's diaper on the go. It provides a clean and comfortable surface for your little one. Extra clothing. Babies are experts at surprising us with spit-ups and diaper leaks. Pack a change of clothes for your baby, including extra onesies, socks, and a lightweight jacket in case the weather changes. Feeding essentials. If you're breastfeeding, bring along some burp cloths for easy cleanup. If bottle feeding, pack pre-measured formula in a container and enough clean bottles to get you through your outing. Don't forget to include bibs and a portable bottle warmer if needed. Pacifiers and teething toys. Pacifiers and teething toys can be lifesavers during fussy moments. Pack a few extras to have them handy when your baby needs soothing. Blanket or swaddle. A soft, lightweight blanket or swaddle can serve multiple purposes, from keeping your baby warm to providing a clean surface for tummy time. Hand sanitizer and baby wipes. Keeping your hands clean is crucial when handling a baby. Pack a small bottle of hand sanitizer for quick hygiene and baby wipes for any spills or messes. Baby sunscreen and hat. If you're heading out into the sun, protect your baby's delicate skin with baby-safe sunscreen and a wide-brimmed hat. Snacks and sippy cup. For older babies, bring along some easy-to-eat snacks and a sippy cup with water or their favorite beverage to keep them happy and hydrated. First aid kit. Prepare a mini first aid kit with essentials like adhesive bandages, antiseptic wipes, a digital thermometer, and any medications your baby might need. Consult your pediatrician first. Additionally, pack Tylenol or Advil for mom and dad in case of a headache. Toys and entertainment. To keep your baby entertained during the trip, pack a few favorite toys or a small board book. Remember, sometimes the simplest toys can be the most entertaining. Your essentials. Don't forget about your own essentials. Pack your wallet, keys, phone, and any items you might need during the outing. There you have it, a comprehensive list of essential items to pack in your baby bag for a smooth and stress-free outing. Being prepared can make a significant difference in how enjoyable your time away from home can be. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.